Welcome to the instructions video for the pounds per minute interactive calculator. This handy tool helps you convert mass flow rates from pounds per minute into other common units like kilograms per hour and grams per second. It's perfect for engineers working with pumps, HVAC systems, or any process that requires accurate flow rate conversions. To use this calculator, start by entering your mass flow rate value in pounds per minute in the input field. For our example, let's enter 50 pounds per minute, which is a typical flow rate for medium-sized industrial pumps. Once you've entered your value, click the Calculate button. The calculator will instantly display your results, showing the equivalent flow rates in multiple units, including kilograms per minute, kilograms per hour, grams per second, and other commonly used measurements. These conversions are essential when working with international specifications or when integrating equipment from different manufacturers that use varying unit systems. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.